Gym Sesh Top Tips. The workout that I'm going to do today, or this video, is a workout that I like to do when I'm away from home. What it does is it enables my body to have that explosiveness that I need for all the calisthenic workouts that I like to do and produce on this channel. So you can have a see and take a screenshot if necessary, but I'll also put the workout in the description down below. Yeah, so this workout can be done at home, in the garden, at a local park. Just 10 minutes to warm your body up, some light jogging, some light stretching, get the blood circulating around your body before you start moving into these complex movements within this workout. You don't need to worry about other people walking around. Just crack on, stay in shape, and just enjoy your fitness journey. We are ready to start. I'm going to time this. You don't have to time it, but I like to time it and put my time up there into the workout so the viewers can see and gauge their fitness levels against mine, and if they're faster than me or slower, it doesn't really matter. But I always like to time it because I like to log every workout that I do, just so I can keep a track of what I've done and my times. If I want to repeat this workout again next week, I might want to beat my times, okay? And that's what I do that for. Always try and keep a record of your training, either in your diary, on your Strava, or wherever it is. Okay, so that's the warm-up finished. Now we're going to get cracking on with the workout itself. Like I said before, I'll put all the descriptions of each exercise up here. The description of the full workouts down below. Just follow on. Right, so that's the end of the workout. I hope you enjoyed that one. It is actually quite a hard little workout, very explosive on the body. Come rounds 3 and 4, it's so tiring, and like you're doing very little cardio apart from obviously your jumping lunges and your squats and stuff, but you get a really good sweat on. I'm sweating out here. Good workout to do at home though. If you did like this video, you like the workout, or you would like a scale down option, leave it in the comments. Like I said, I'll put a scale down option anyway in the description, but that's it, that's the workout. Very explosive workout. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm bringing out content like this all the time as I'm progressing as well on my fitness journey. So till the next time, train safe.